All right, so welcome to this GoE1ULife practical training session where I show you how I promote my GoE1ULife business. All right, so what now? Before we go straight to promotion, because I use ChatGPT and email marketing to promote my GoE1ULife business. Now, for those of you who are brand new, the question is this: what is GoE1ULife? So GoE1ULife is an AI software company. All right, so this company creates softwares powered by AI. All right, so when you get their service, you will be able to use their software to build your own websites, funnel, and you fully automate the software. But that is not all. The sweet thing is this: you will also be able to earn instant Bitcoin commissions every time somebody join your team. So that's why you want to promote this system so that you earn instant direct Bitcoin to your Bitcoin wallet. This is awesome. And you can get started with this E1ULife system for just $25. One-time payment. There is no monthly fees, guys. This is powerful. And this is a global program because anyone in the world can join the GoE1ULife Bitcoin system. Now, let's check the matrix, okay? So the GoE1ULife operates what is called a 2x2 matrix, okay? And you can join at any level, but you can get started for just $25. So you can join either at the $25 level, or you can also join at the $100. There's a $500 level, $1,000 level, and $4,000 level. And this is a matrix that is cycling, okay? Now let's look at the matrix. So if you are the $25 level, by the time your matrix completes cycling, you would have earned $68, guys. So by joining with just $25 and your matrix complete the 2x2, you will earn $68. Now, if you are the $100 level, when your matrix complete, you will earn $275, and it will cycle again and again and again, almost like forever. Right now, let's check another one. If you are the $500 level, you will be able to earn commissions of $1,375 per cycle. That's powerful, right? And if you are the $1,000 level, you will be able to earn up to $2,750 per cycle. And I tell you, this cycle continue over and over, non-stop. So this is a very, very powerful way of earning Bitcoin and making a lot of money for yourself. All right, so let's say you are ready right now and you want to get started with this GoE1ULife Bitcoin system. Very simple. All you have to do, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Now, once you come below the video, go to the first link that says Step 1, join GoE1ULife. So go ahead, click that first link, just like this, and that will take you straight to this capture page website. Now, all you have to do, where it says get instant access, just enter your name here and enter your best email address here. So go ahead, enter your name here, then enter your best email address here. Then you see where I say click here for free access. Click the green button, and that will now take you to the GoE1ULife. That will take you to this video sales page. Okay, once you get to this page, you can go ahead and watch this video. But to get in, you see where I say click here to join now. Go ahead, click that button, and that will now take you to the GoE1ULife website. Now, for as you have not, as a new person, you see where it says start right now. All you have to do, go ahead, click this start right now, and then fill up this, yeah, create your account for free. But then for you to earn money with this system, you will need to have a Bitcoin wallet. So make sure that you have a Bitcoin wallet and you have over $25 in it, so that you can pay for your membership. It's just as simple as that. All right, awesome. So now the next thing we want to do is to promote our GoE1ULife link, right? And this is the capture page that I am promoting. So now let's see. So for you to promote the GoE1ULife, what you need is you need to go to where the customers are. So let's go back here. So I personally use what is called my lead gen secret. So let's go back to that video. Below the video, go below this video, come under here, you will see where it says my lead gen secret. Okay, so go ahead, click on that link, and that will now take you to my lead gen secret. So this is where I get all my customers. Okay, now this service is very unique, okay, because this service will give you 100 leads every day. What are leads? Leads are people who are interested in our type of business, okay? So when you join this service today, you will get 100 leads today that you can send emails to, okay? Now by tomorrow, you will get another 100 leads that you can send emails to. So that's 200 leads, right? Now, by next tomorrow, you will get another 100 leads. So that's 300 leads. So in a whole month, you would have gotten 3,000 leads. And in a whole year, you would have gotten 36,000 leads. That is 36,000 people that you can send emails to and promote your GoE1ULife link. That is powerful. So the next thing you want, if you are ready to get started with this service, it only costs $1 per day. As you can see here, okay, just scroll down. You see where it says join my lead gen secret now. Go ahead, click that button and join my lead gen secret. Okay, now the next thing you want to do, we are going to go straight to my lead gen secret website so that we can start sending those powerful email. Okay, all right, so now when you get to my lead gen secret, what you want to do, let's come here. You want to log into my lead gen secret. So I'm going to quickly log into my account. So if you also have your account, what you want to quickly do, you want to log in. So you put in your username and password and then you log in, okay? Now, once you log in, you go straight to the mailing system. Click on that. Awesome. Now, once you go straight, now the next thing is to select all your leads. So we're going to select all the leads. Just be patient. This is a live training. I'm showing you exactly how I promote my GoE1ULife business. Now, in this account, you see I have about 200,000 leads. Okay. So what you now need is the subject of the email. You also need the body of the email, but we are not going to write any email, right? Now, who is going to write our email for us? We are going to use Chat GPT, okay? So now we're going to use Chat GPT. So now Chat GPT is free. So what you want to do with Chat GPT is to tell Chat GPT to write us an email, okay? So I'm going to go like this. Write 10 high converting, let me put it, write 10 short I don't want a long email. Short, high converting email for the, let's put it like this, $25 one time, I don't know. Let's just let's just try that one time payment. Go right. Let's say GoE1ULife Bitcoin system. Let's just see. Let's write 10 high converting. Oh, I'm making a lot of mistake here. All right. So we are telling ChatGPT something to write us 10 high converting short emails, right? What did I do here? For the $25 one-time payment GoE1ULife Bitcoin system, okay? Let's see let's try that, right? Let's see what it's going to give us. It's going to write for us. Let's see. If it's not so good, we change it again, okay? So let's see. Turn $25 into Bitcoin commissions. Earn Bitcoin while you sleep. Imagine Bitcoin coming to your address. Let's see. Let's try this one. No recruiting, no selling. Earn Bitcoin the easy way. Let's see again. I'm just trying to see which one, the lazy way to earn Bitcoin. No retry. Your Bitcoin system is waiting. Okay. I think they are all good, but let's look at the one we may like. I want to try this one. No recruiting, no selling. Let's try this one. So I'm going to take the subject and then I'm going to come back to the mailing system. You can try different topics and see how it works for you, right? So I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to put just earning Bitcoins. Then now I'm going to now use the first name of the person. Copy it here. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm putting the first name of the person as a subject. So this is the first name code. Copy that. Paste it. That's good. Let's see. Then now we need the subject. So the subject has been written for us. So what you want to do, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this part first. You see what I'm doing? Copy that part, come here. Then I'm going to remove everything here. So I'm going to say hi. Then put that one. You see what I did? Then I'm still going to come here and copy everything here. You see that? Come back, paste it, okay? Then I'm going to do this. So Then I will write click here for free access. Okay, nice. Click here for free access. Okay, then I'm going to say best regards. Then I'm going to put my name here. Please, can you see how simple this is? Then we need the first name code. So let's go back up here. Get that first name code again. And then we're going to put it here in front of hi. All right. So can you see how simple this is? So I didn't write any email. ChatGPT wrote all the emails for me, okay? So what you want to do, you now need your E1ULife link, okay? Like this is the general link for me, but I'm not going to use this. I'm going to, because I want to capture their leads. So I'm going to use this, okay? So I'm going to copy my capture page link. You see that for GoE1ULife. Then I'm going to come to the mailing system. Then I will highlight this. I'm going to make it bold, okay? Then I'm going to change the color to blue so that it can stand out. Nice. Then now I can insert my GoE1ULife capture link. All right, and click OK. Now, can you see how it looks? So this is nice. I think it's short and it tells a lot about your joining the GoE1ULife for $25 one time, okay? Now, the next thing you want to do, you want to click on where it says perfect timing. You see that? Click on that. Then you want to click on preview. And then, so this is the email. No recruiting, no selling, just earning Bitcoin. And then we check our link. Yeah, my link is good. Then you close. Now you can send this email, okay? Oops. Oh, emojis. It doesn't want that. Okay. So let's remove all this. It doesn't want the emoji. So that's good. So it's all right. So now let's click preview. Okay. And that's it. You can see the link is working. Close it. So it's now we can send this email. So click send. So it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going, and it's gone. So right now, I have just sent out emails to 200,000 people in this account. So let's hope and see that some of them will click and decide to join us in the GoE1ULife if they have Bitcoin with them. So with that, right, that's awesome, guys. So this is amazing. You can see the power of the GoE1ULife system. And if you have any question, okay, you can leave it in the comment section. But what you want to do is to quickly join this Go Bitcoin revolution so that you can make a lot of money with this permanently cycling system. All right, so if you like this video, click the like button, also click the share button, but don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.